Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, good
Hi,
morning.
good morning.
Good morning. Hello and welcome, everybody.
Good morning, Capi.
Good morning, Mystique. Okay, ready to rumble?
Ready to rumble.
Okay. All right, so price right now 37, right? 37. So right there, 37. And and this low here, I'm expecting 32 to hold. So we're gonna be looking to go long, all right, between here, 37 and 32. So the market is out of balance. Let's go get us a levels of support resistance. What's the channel that we should be playing, right? Well, 54 is the first 54 is resistance and 27 and 27 is support. Okay, so alrighty then, right? 54, 27. All right, so put it there. The morning is long, and there's a lot of stuff that can happen, right? In between. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's right. So that's 36 holding, right? All right. Okay. Time right now 9:08. All right, 36 holding. Uh-huh. Mhm. Okay, friend. Right. 36 holding, right? Okay. Okay. Remember that we are in a we are in a we are in an overall market direction sideways. Okay. All right. And this wave is all right. This wave is bullish. Okay. All righty then. Okay. Okay. So go right. Nice. Okay. So we had. All right. So all right. So we had support, right? Since the open, since I opened the mic, we had right 37, 32, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's 5 points. Alrighty. Okay, so as soon as I told you, right,
Yes.
that we are in a bullish wave, and I told you beginning right here, 37, right? Okay, This is a bullish wave. Beginning 37, 32, 5 points. Price goes to 36, 35.75, right?
Right.
Just 1 point of heat from the entry long 37, which is the breakout, right? 37 is the breakout. Price goes to 35.75. That's 6 ticks of heat. No big deal. Alrighty. And 39 quarters. So 37, 38, 39 quarters. That's right. 2.25 points in the direction of the bullish wave call at when I opened mic at 9. All right. So are we out of here? We're gonna buy a Lamborghini on this trade? I don't think so. What time it is? We all know what time it is. It's,
9:12.
it's 9:12, right? Alrighty then. So 18 minutes to the open, and then smart money can easily drop it back to 37 to the high of the 5 point range that we call as support. Right? Take the stops of all the bulls that went long around here. Smart money knows that everybody has a stop here, 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 and there, right? Okay. So we never let a winner turn into a loser. Price has gone already from 37 to 39, 2.25 point, and we're watching it like a hawk. Why? Because we're expecting the price to continue to 40. Oh my God, that's only 3 points. Yeah, I know. We don't have volatility, and the market is out of balance. All right, so that's pretty good. 39, 40, right? Okay. All right, so this that's 40 to the tick, 40, 40 quarter, pretty good, right?
Yep.
Okay, 40 quarter. So that's 3 points from our breakout long 37, and of course we can easily all see 41 right there, right? 41 is gonna momentarily stop it. Okay, no biggie. Boom, 41. That's +4, right, mistake?
Correct.
Alrighty then. That's 4 points, and we haven't even started yet. Stop break even, and let it ride. Time right now it's 9:14. 16 minutes to open. And where is the price gonna be looking to go? Well, what is the first? What is the first resistance? Right? Anybody?
54.
50. No, 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 don't tell them. I want them to tell
Okay.
me. All right, 54. You all know it's 54. You all know it's 54. Alrighty then. Okay, 54, right? So are we gonna get to 54 on a straight line? Mistake. Tell me.
Most likely not.
Most likely not. All right, so we're going to 54, right? By way of what? Uh-huh. In other words, what's there? What's gonna be stopping this rally from
37.
from not going on a straight um, line all the way to 54. Well, the first one is gonna be 44. Okay, so 44 is correct. Okay, so we're gonna put a. This is the first here, 44. That's the first level that is going to um, try to stop this move all the way to 54. By the way, reaching that 54 on an out of balance market condition like we have today, that's gonna ¿cómo se dice? Hazaña.
That's gonna be a feat.
That's gonna be a feat for us. All right, if we nail this entry, razor sharp entry right here, this 37, 36, right? and we let and we and and we capture right from 37 all the way to 54 on the conditions that the market is today. 54 right minus 37. We're looking for 17 points. Alrighty. Okay. So we are going to remain bullish. Okay. We're going to remain bullish. Um, as long as I don't tell you to get out 42, remember 44 is the first resistance. 44. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another we have another resistance. Okay. 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 Four. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. We have an okay. We have another. Okay, hold on a second. I'm looking for a resistance between okay 44, 44, right? Okay. Okay. Here it is. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and bring down, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and bring down 44, and we're gonna bring it down 1 point to 43. Okay. All right. And 43 is a 43 is a key level. All right. 43, it's a key level. As long as the price is below 43, uh, the bears are secretly in control. As long as the price is below this 43 here, the bears are secretly in control. Clean break of 43 to the upside, bulls take control, and then we're gonna be more comfortable in uh, in our in our holding positions all the way to 54. Okay, so between 43 and 54. Okay, between 43 and 54. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see where the bears are going to try to stop it. Okay. Okay. All right. The okay, by way of 50. Alrighty, 50 is gonna stop it. All right, so we have 43. As long as the price is below 43, the bears are secretly in control. So this loan that we took here at the high of the 5 point range uh, is is in is in jeopardy, right?
Yes.
Because because the Bears are in control. Believe it or not, it is the Bears, the ones in control. All right, the Bulls needs to take 43 for us for us to have a continuation to 50 and 54. They have to take these 43, and the stronger they take it, the better. All right, but that's not gonna be easy because the Bears are in control. So the Bears are looking to have the price recoil and go back all the way to this low right here, right? 36, 37, right? And then there is a possibility that we might change hats to bear at the open if we see a high probability um, setup at the open that tell us that the price is going to break to the downside. Then 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 we'll take it, and we know that we have these supports right here, 37, right? The this pivot low here, 35.75 and 32. All right, so we need to know all of that stuff in case that we change hands to bear at the open, which we could easily do, right? Two reasons. Number one, volatility comes, and reason number two is below 43, and we know that it is the bears the ones secretly in control. All right. So this move up is actually a um, a counter trend of the secret down move, and the market is out of balance. So okay, all right. So 926. All right. Remember that there are no economic releases today, so there is a lot of manipulation today. And so let's go ahead and make sure that we okay. Let's make sure that we right. Okay. Okay. 42 half. Boom. All right. Okay. Right.
Right.
42.75. That's one tick to 43. Right. Remember 43, ladies and gentlemen. That's resistance, right? Right. Bull. Those of us who are long from this pivot low, 36 change. Well, we knew, right? We knew that 43 was gonna stop it, didn't we, Mister?
Yes, we did.
So what's that? Is that 42.75? One tick to 43?
Correct.
There you go. All righty then. Okay, so because the idea is that whatever happens, it doesn't get you by surprise because you already know. You already knew it. You knew the strength of 43, right? Half an hour ago, you knew it. You knew that this was resistance. Price was going to have a hard time taking it. You knew that the bears were the ones in real control. Bam, 37, right? We,
Right.
we, we knew all of this, did we not?
Yes, we
There
did.
you go. So, all right, so we are in a sideways action wave now, right? Price took the 37, and remember what I told you. it can at the open with the volatility when the gunpowder comes, it can easily come right back to where? To this 36 um, pivot low. All right. Okay. So we are the low of this wave is 32, and and um, we are in a sideways action, right? Sideways, sideways. All right. It's not. It's not bullish anymore, right? However, until the price destroys 32, we still believe that this is an area of support, right? 32 is the low of the wave, and 43 is the high. Okay.
Estamos viendo la raya, no abriendo.
Mm, okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, okay, so we still good, right?
Yes.
Right. So you saw we did not change hats to bear, right? Even though it dropped all the way from 43 to 35, I never told you to change hats, right? So you know that any pullback to our low is an entry loan. This is all an entry loan. It's right here, 35, right? All the way to 32. Okay, so our initial pivot low holding nicely, nice bounce, right? And then we're gonna have what? Where are we gonna have a 35, 43 chop? And until I tell you not to be long anymore, your job is to remain long, expecting the bulls to eventually take 43 and go to 57 points. It's not gonna be easy with an out of balance market condition, but anything can happen any minute, right?
That's right.
All right. So the bullish setup remains intact. Price pullback, giving us a nice add to a winner or establish a new position low. Because remember, we knew 43 was going to stop it. So we're long from 37, right, to 43. That's 6 points, right? All right. So we are concentrated on the bullish side, right? This is a snake wave. However, we are expecting the price to take 43, right? And 50 and 54. Okay? In a straight line mistake?
Most likely not.
I don't think so either, right? And we can change hats to bear any second, can we not?
Correct.
Look at 43 still clinching, right? Clinching means price cannot take. Bouncing means to the upside. Bouncing means the price comes back, bounce, and rallies on this 43, right? 43, and it is now a right 43, 35, right?
Right.
All right, so we're gonna make it 35. Okay, so we are now in a 43.35, right? That's big time chop, right? That's an 8 point. That's an 8 point, my friends, of that's an 8 point. That's an 8 point range, right? Nothing. Okay, don't need this anymore. Okay, and alrighty then. Okay, so we are expecting leap up and down 35, 43, 43, 35, 35, 43, 43, 35. This 8 point, that's what we think is going to happen for a while. There are no economic releases today. And so this is all trade what you see. Okay. Okay. So this position that we have is after a tempo play. Tempo short term, sway a little bit more. So in other words, when the price, if the price breaks our 43 sometime today, this year, then that trade long, the low 36, 37, right? That retest, giving us another chance to get back in. Eventually, the price is going to break either 43 or 35, right? We know that. Unless the world ends, the price will break one of these two levels. And we're counting on 43 be the level that is taken. Once the price takes 43, then that play that began as a tempo play, short term, looking for a short term move, 43, right? From 37 to 43, that's 6 points only, right? That's a, that's a short term. Break of 43 and a continuation to 50, then we go to a sway play. A little longer, it's gonna take longer, it's a bigger play. And but in the meantime, we all gonna be chopped liver all these 8 points, and there's nothing we can do about it other than be patient and be strong and watch the market like a hawk. And right, this bother me. Okay, as a matter of fact, we're gonna get it out of the way here, right? Okay, so price goes all the way back to 43 almost, right? Again, cannot take it for the second time. And it has to drop all the way back to 37. Look at it. So in other words, the price is acting exactly like we've been saying the price was going to behave since 9 a.m. this morning. All right. Okay. Let's see. Listen, our 43 got stronger than the 35. So we're gonna be cautious in going long below 35 and 32. Why? Because 43 just got a little bit too stronger than we bulls would like it to. All right. So now the odds that the price is gonna break 43 or 30 or 32 are the same. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we just went from 43 to a 32. All right. Now we are in a 11 point range. So, in other words, I'm expecting the price to take 35. Not easily, of course. Testing 35. All right. Okay. So, 35 and below is still levels of support in which I am expecting a bounce, and the shape of the action be a lipping up and down. Okay. But now 32 is back in business, and remember, right? Clean break of 35. We'll handle 32, and then a clean break of 32. We all know it's going to 27, right?
Yes.
All righty then. Okay, so let's see. All right, so remember when I told you that, um, okay, so I told you when the price was right here, 38, all right, that 37 got strong, and that the price was going to be looking to, right, to to go right to take the 35. All right, so 35 is support for us. 35 and 32, these 3 points are 3 points of support, just like I told you. All righty. Okay, so careful. 35 holding, 35 to the tick, and okay, and this is exactly what we want, right? We want the bulls to come to the rescue, and and take us and take us to all the way back to the now a stronger 43. Okay, 38. It's not gonna be easy. All right. So 35, 43. Okay, 43 is stronger than 35. Okay, 43 is stronger than 35. Okay, so the odds right now are that the price is gonna break 35 before it breaks 43. Okay. Oh my God! But so shouldn't we go short? No, no, no. We're gonna continue. We're gonna continue
Capi, we have a gold digger bull.
buying support. We're gonna continue buying support. Okay. Remember, we are in a sideways wave. All right. So I'm not expecting a clean break of 27, an easy break of 27. I'm not expecting that. All right. Okay, so we're gonna continue buying the low on because this
Right?
the see
We have
the
a gold digger bull.
okay, right, terrific. So we have an odd enhancer. You just heard Mystique telling us that that the low also is getting strong. All right, this low right here, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty good. All right, so now 35 and 43 are equally strong. Remember, 36 was stronger, then 43 became stronger, and then now 35 is equally strong as 43. So the odds right now that the price is going to break 43 or 35 are 50-50. All right. So what do we do then? Well, we remain bullish the low of this range. 35, 43, and we know that if the we know that that a clean break of 35 price will be looking to go to 32. 32 only. I'm not expecting a big break below 32. I'm not expecting. So in other words, 32 is the last entry long. All right. So is it worth it to counter trend short? I mean, should we go short somewhere between 40 and 43, right? You know, with the micros, right? So that we are long the low 35 and we're short the high 43, right? That's a pretty good strategy. That's you have to be a real pro to do that, and we do it here every day, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 35 just became stronger than 43. So now we have uh, higher odds that it is 43, the one that is going to be taken. All right. So we remain bullish. We're going to do everything in our power to now that we know that 35 is it's a little stronger than 43, we have more confidence that it is 43 the one that is going to be taken. So we have to remain bullish. We know that as long as the price is below 43, the bears are the real secretly forces in control. But the bears, they don't know how strong 35 is. All right, and retail traders, they have no idea that now the odds are that the price is going to test 43, is going to make a triple top. Of course there's going to be some selling right there, right? It's conventional technical analysis, right? It's trading 101, chart pattern formation. All right, they don't know that. If they did, right, they right, if they did, they they wouldn't be looking to short, but they be looking to buy. It's okay to short, right, the 43, 44 range with a as a counter trend, right? But we're not gonna this chop is too much, and that we are still in a tempo play that we are expecting the price to break 43 and turn into a sway play, longer in time and bigger in duration. Okay, so remember that the market is dynamic, is changing all the time, and our job is to change with it. We need to watch every key level, measure the strength of each of the most important levels, so that we can make a decision as to what the best play is at all times. Okay, so if the trends of this level change, then we have to change with it. All right. So uh, we were uh, we were the bulls were stronger here, and then the bears here, and then bulls took it again here. Look at that, 43 can take it. Then bulls are back in business right here, 35 bounce, and of course this is the way it's gonna do it, right? 35, 38, 30, 37, 39, 37, 40, 37, right? Remember 37? Alrighty then. Okay. So what's really important that we know? Well, let's say that the smart money, they're really vicious today, and they're really vicious today, right? Let's say, and they know that there is retail traders long, and they want to totally destroy them, right? All right. So where are they? Uh, where are they gonna? Where are they going to take? Right, the price. Right, they're gonna take it all the way to 27. Right. So if they're gonna take it all the way to 27, then we have to. Our job is to figure it out. Don't go long 35, 32. Look for resistance so that we take advantage of that drop all the way to 27. All right. So you hang in there until I tell you that that's gonna happen. We remain bullish, expecting 35 to hold and 32. I'm just telling you in case that the the 43s become really nasty and they come to the rescue, right? Gonna test 35, 32, right? And 27. That's why I told you that it's okay to be sure this counter trend, this high right here, so that we can take advantage of that if that happens. Okay, and we're gonna see it. All right, 32, 35. It's 3 points of support, and so far it can change any second, right? Until it does, I'll tell you. Okay, and then break of 32, 27. We have to really watch that. Okay. So what is it that we're looking for? We're looking for a nasty, vicious, violent drop. All right, that's what we're looking for. Okay. Okay. Market is out of balance, and I'm telling you, don't just don't trust uh, the smart money, uh, not not looking to be nasty. Okay. 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 No Lamborghini today. All right. Okay. No Lamborghini. Don't make plans to buy a Lamborghini today. We have to get the hell out of this job and and have the market reveal itself. Okay. Shop is our worst enemy. Don't whatever you already have. Don't let it. Don't let your already couple of points green that you have go red. It's is preferably just stop trading. Okay, because this job, my friends, are very unpredictable. This thing can easily come destroy 35, and we're not gonna take a 35 breakout to the downside, right? So in other words, we don't have a limit short 35. That's not gonna happen. Alrighty? Okay. Even if the price destroys 35, we know it's gonna go to 32, right? This 3 point is not worth it to take a breakout short. It's not worth it. It's too small. Alrighty? Okay. But this thing can happen any second. So in other words, like I told you when the price was at 40. Listen, it's okay to be sure around here, right? Between 40 and 43, the high of this sideways action way. So we on the micros, right? Small position because we believe that that the main play should be long, right? But we can anything can happen any second, right? Sometimes we make more on a counter trend than with a play with the trend. Okay, testing 45. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Gentlemen. Right. Okay. Okay. This is the smart money taking all the stuff here 35. Remember I told you we're not gonna go short 35. If the price takes 35, we're not gonna go short. Smart money is just taking the stops. All right. Okay. We remain bullish. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we remain bullish. All right. So 32, 35 is a 3 points of support until I tell you it's not support anymore. Right? And so what's the mid range? 32, 35? Well, it's 33 half. Look, isn't it 33 half the mid range? All right. So bulls have confidence that the price only came to the mid range, bounce, couldn't take it, continued to 32, and it had to bounce all the way to back to 37. Now, you remember 37? 37 was our initial level of support, the high of the range to go long. Well, now we have two levels, 43 and 37. As long as the price is below 43 and 37, the bears are in control. So they're looking to take it all the way to 32 and to 27 in a horrible way. Chop, and this is how they destroy the the amateurs. They do it so choppy and so slowly that the amateurs and all the teenagers on YouTube, they start adding to a loser. Those teenagers that went long here, they're adding to a loser. They're gonna add to a loser, add to a loser, add to a loser, right? And the smart money knows that, and that's why they do it like this. They take it, bounce, recoil, go right back down, chop, big time chop, right? All right. So those who went short right here, 34, when the price broke 35, they went short 34, and then it bounced all the way to 36, almost 37. They got out right there at 37. So they lost on the way down, they lost on the way up, and they lost again. They're losing everywhere. Because remember, direction is king. Entry location, of course, is extremely important, but it is not the entry, but the exit what's gonna make you a consistently profitable trader. The exit, because the exit is pretty much trade management. Alrighty, okay. That's why direction is king. Alrighty then. So bears in control, price below 43 and 37. Right? So I just told you, hey, listen, price is gonna take 35. It's coming here, 32, right? These 3 points holding. Okay. All right, these 3 points holding right here. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Is it? Oh, okay. It's sometimes I take my mouth away from the microphone that I have in my here. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. We remain bullish, ladies and gentlemen. We just have a new support, 30, right? 33. Testing 37. So now we have two hurdles, 37 and 43. We take 37, we go back to even Steven, right? Long and short. Price above 37, below 43, we are back in a sideways action. As long as the price cannot take our 37, bears in control. It's okay that the bears are in control because remember, bulls and bear, turtle and snake, they take control all the time, right? They take control from each other all the time. The price is dynamic. That means that is that is changing all the time. Our job is to figure out the future change. All right. All right. So for us, being long the low is still the play that we believe is going to in the future going to give us an okay trip. All right. How? Like this, right? vicious chop liver. Alrighty, okay. That that break of 35 all the way to 30, that point and a half is just taking the stops. Our money knows everybody had a stop right here, 36. So they took all the stops, 36, 35, 34, 33 half, boom, bounce it right back up, goes to 37, which is a prosadical, our uh, entry, right? Our initial entry long, right? Remember, entry long, 37, that we wanted to go to uh, to 50, right? 50 and 54. And we also knew that 43 was going to totally stop it, right? Okay. Some of you went short 43. Those of you who went short 43, our resistance, you have no business getting out. Those of you who are short 43, because we buy support and we sell resistance, and we knew that 43 was resistance, right? That the price was not going to take it. So you go short. No, Capi, I wanted to go short 43, but the price only went to 40, 42, 50. You know, the second time and the first time it went to 40, 42.75. Oh my God, yeah, that's right. What can I say? All right, it is what it is. Okay. So so we want 47 take. We want 37 taken, and patience, right? Patience. Okay, patience. So uh, a taking of 37, the Bulls are a little bit more comfortable, just a little bit, that 33 is going to hold. The taking of 37 is going to make the Bulls a little bit more comfortable that 33, 32 will hold. Taking of 37, and then we have to see how it goes all the way to 43, and etc. etc. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, let's okay, right. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So remember that. Okay. Okay. All right. So so the conventional technical analysts, for them we are in a for them we are in a downtrend. Okay, we are in a downtrend right there, right? Okay, but we've known all the time for the past hour that we are interested in going long. Why? Because we have direction. So every time the price takes any of our resistances, 37, right, 35, and then we are uh, we are confident that we are on the right side. Okay, price goes to 37, right? Takes a 38 half. All right. So conventional analysts, for them, we are in a downtrend, and we've known if we are right. I don't know, in the future, next half an hour, 45 minutes, next 5 minutes, never know that that all this downtrend was taking fishing for stops, and that's why we've concentrated on buying support, buying the low. Right, that's what we've done all day. Right? And those of you who did go short 43 uh, because of our because of what I told you, 43, right? So I'm not a fan. Okay, I'm gonna make it even bigger so that totally clear on the importance of 43 being resistance. Right? Okay, so this is a battle. 32, 43. Okay. Short term, this below 35, 33 became a little stronger. It's not stronger than 43. It's just it's stronger than it's stronger than the than the than the bearish invisible levels that are somewhere around here that we're not interested. Okay, we're only interested in our levels. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of here. Okay, okay, it's doing the same, right? Look at 37, right? Price take 37, bears, smart money takes it all the way to 39, taking the stops of 37. See, smart money knows that bears, they have a stop right here at 37, so they have to take their stops. They take it to 38, 39, take all the stop, boom, right back down. And then back in the bearish channel that we have right here. Okay? Tough. In other words, the worst type of action that there is. But if you have the right strategy and you know how to do it and you know all your levels, and then it's worth trading with a very small position size. We are nothing but warming up. 35 cannot take it. Chop continues. Horrible chop continues. Alrighty. Okay. Right. 43 and 32. Really, really tough call. Okay. Tough call. Which one is going to be taken first? Right. Tough call. More chop. In other words, everything that we told you how the market was going to behave since the open. Sideways action. All right, look at that. 43 is the high, it's 43, 43.75. We're going to call it 43. And the low is 33, 10 points, right? 33 half, 9 points. So let's say 33. So we've been for all this time on a 10-point range. And look how it's done. Look how the smart money has done it. Look at it. Taking the lower low, right? Lower high. So conventional technical analysis, we are in a downtrend. Okay. We don't care that we are in a downtrend, right? Because that's what everybody can see. That's easy, right? We care on the future, the odds as to where the price is going. In the meantime, we're trading what we see. That's all. Okay. This 35 is not important anymore. Alrighty then. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time right now 10:15 and 10:15 and this chop can last the entire morning session. Yeah, like yesterday. Remember yesterday? It wasn't until 11:30 that the price started to move, and we were all playing golf already. Right? That's what it. That could easily be the this action today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, there you go. 33 holding, right? Nice bounce. Right. Considering the chop action, right? It's not a nice bounce. It's if you had gone all the way to 37 in a couple of seconds, right? That's a nice bounce. This is a, no okay. Goes to 33, boom, and 34, right? Five, you know, and more fighting, more chop, and right. So overall market direction is sideways, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we are totally uh, on the lookout for a for a break of the low, right? But until it comes, we're gonna continue playing it, all right? But we know that a sudden or violent drop, taking of 32, it'll be 27 more points. So remember what I told you, I don't know, an hour ago. 32, right? We're buying the low. Every time it marks, the price take a new low, we're buying it. We're buying it. We're buying it. 32 is the last one, right? If and when the price takes 32, we're gonna see how it takes it. We know that a clean break of 32, it'll go to 27. That's 5 points. And those of you who shorted 43, I told you there is absolutely no reason at all whatsoever for you not to still be holding a short position. Okay, I know it's been even for shorts. Those of you who took the 42 and the 43 because you knew how strong resistance 43 was gonna be, since I told you. Then had another chance right here at 5 minutes after the open, and then it's done nothing but go down, right? Lower low, lower low, right? 37. Smart money taking these stops, fishing for stops, takes it all the way to 39, and then boom, right back down. And look at this. Oh, gee, is that 37? Oh, really? Yeah. So this bounce from 33. What's the next level that actually stopped this rally? Let me see. 37. 4 points. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, we won 38 taken. All right, Bulls. We won 38 taken right here. We won this. This 38 needs to be taken. Okay, 38, not 39. 38. Okay, 38. Okay, As long as the price is above 38, then we're good. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. 38. Look at that, right? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. 38 half, right? It takes it by two ticks. 38, right? 38 is important for us. Takes it by two ticks. 38 half. It's not 39 the level that is important to us. 38. Okay, so it takes it by two ticks. Bears jump the gun. Those who wants to build back better, sure, they jump the gun. They don't wait for 39. They take it here. They don't know that the smart money is looking to boom to to take it higher. Right. So now they're okay. Now they're bleeding. We are good. 39 quarter. Right. So as long as the price is above 38, we're good. All right. Those of us who are still long, the every time the price takes the low, it's an opportunity for us to go long, go long, go long. All right. Every time. Why do we do that? Why are we trading against the trend? We're not trading against. We're trading against the conventional trend. We are after a future move. All right. So we don't believe that the price is going to destroy the low. Number one. So there's this trend means nothing to us. This trend, right, means nothing. Well, let me rephrase that. It means a lot because we want to know what the vicious money is doing. Mhm. Yeah. So this is a bearish broadband type of downtrend. This is a bearish broadband um, downtrend. It's not. It's a It's not. It's not really strong. Okay, price takes 38, goes all the way to 39 quarter, takes all the stops. Of course, those who waited for 39 just went ahead and took it 39, bam! And they're hoping that the price continue going down, but they don't know the importance of 27. So they're counting on their short 39 for the price to continue going down. They don't know that 37 is gonna fight it. They don't know that. We do. Okay, and we are counting on 37, holding, test the high, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43 again. Righty? Okie dokie. Righty, here we go. And so you can see now that the price broke structure. It broke structure, right? The downtrend has been broken. Now it took forever, right? At 10:08 when it took it all the way to 39, and then it came right back down inside the downtrend. It stayed there for a while, stayed there for a while. Boom! It broke it again, right? At 10:20, time right now, 10:29. Right, 9 minutes ago, it broke structure, the downtrend, the broadband downtrend, bearish. Downtrend, bearish is, of course, the bearish is down. All right, and we know this nice, we know the importance of breaking 37. Look at the way price broke 37 from 36 all the way to 37.75. Okay. All right. This rally is destroying the teenagers on YouTube that were sure. They didn't see this rally coming from 33 all the way to 40, 7 points. They didn't see in their demo account. They didn't see that this rally, okay? Because they didn't know the strengths of 33, they didn't know the strengths of 32, they didn't know the breaking of the importance of the breaking of 37. They had no idea, right? And because we do know all of that, it makes it a lot more, give us more confidence in still holding our long, right? Expecting the price to do everything that we talked about before. All right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right. So 40. So this 40 43. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 40 43 is going to try to stop it, of course. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. 40 43. Right. 40 43. Resistance. What do you think the bears are doing? The 43ers. Boom. Right? Okay, so now we're going to be on a fight 37 43. One of the two is going to win. Right? Let's see who it is. We are long the lows, so we want the bulls, the ones to succeed. All right. Now, is this move, is this rally from 33 to 40 quarter, right? It's gonna continue going all the way to 43 in a straight line? Of course not. So this recoil off of 40 quarter all the way back to 38 and maybe even 37, we do not want this pullback to take 37. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. But we are expecting that if that happens, we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch the price between 37 and 33. We're gonna watch it like a hawk, and this is all support. How do we know that? Because we are expecting a continuation to 43, etc., etc. Is it gonna happen? Guarantee? Of course not. But that's what we think is gonna happen. Oh my God! What do you mean think? We're not supposed to think. Well, that's what you're gonna hear all the fake gurus out there tell you. Don't trade what you think. Oh, trade what you see. They have no clue what they're talking about. Okay? All right. We trade both. We trade what we see and we trade what we think. It depends on the price action. The market is going to tell us exactly what it is we're supposed to do. All right? So we, professional traders, we need to be able to determine what type of condition is the market on, what's the market mood. And we want to know all this stuff so that we're going to be there when the market reveals itself. All right? Okay. Look at 37 holding, right? With 37 holding. Price goes to 37 half, right? Professional traders, those that know the importance of 37, jump the gun and bought 37 half. In case that it doesn't go to 37, they don't wanna fear of missing out, right? FOMO. They don't wanna, you know, in their humble opinion, they think that 37 is strong enough. It's worth to be long, and they jump in the gun a little bit, and and they're they're they just got destroyed. 37, right? We are still good because, right, right. That that nasty that nasty drop from 39 to 36. That's 3 points. Look at it. It's 3 points in 3 seconds, right? What do you think that? What do you think that was for? Right? Our worst enemy, chop. That's exactly what happened. Okay. All righty. Oh my God! Look at that, man! From 40, boom, all the way. Something's happening. Somebody said something. Okay, back to the low right here. Right? Bulls got scared the hell, right? Bulls just got, you know, scared as hell. And, you know, and the play continues until it doesn't anymore. Okay. So in other words, that's one of the cliches of that says, I, you know, uh, don't trade shop is true, right? You all saw, right? All right. You all can see these tough action, right? You can see it, right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was a nasty drop from 40 to 33, right? Right? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so 32, and uh, that's it, right? Remember what I told you. All right. So at this point, right, we're watching the 32, etc., right? At this point, you have to go look for your P&L and remember what I told you. You know, it's not worth it. You know, be careful. Okay, that's it. This is it. Clean break of this low right here. You know, the um, the price is gonna be looking to continue going to 27. But going short breakout 32, that's a no. That's not gonna happen. All right. However, right, the overall market direction, the overall wave direction is still sideways. So now we're gonna see, right, 32. Remember what I told you. 32 is the last time that we're gonna go long. All right. So those of you who just took the 32, those of you who waited all the time for that, all right, that's terrific. Okay. Stop break even, let it ride. Okay. All right. So that's 34 quarter, right? 34 quarter. All right. So look, price was in a downtrend. It broke structure. It came right back down to the downtrend, the broadband downtrend. Yeah. Takes the takes the high of the band, goes to 32, which we know it's our last entry long, and bam, it's got to it's got to bounce and go right away above that um, higher uh, higher level of the downtrend. Okay, so this is it. 32, right? This low right here, this low right here. Period. It needs to work from now on. Okay, we're not interested in being long anymore. Okay, why? Because all right, we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch the action from. We're gonna continue watching the action. We know that a clean break of the new low right here, right, which is 31 and change, right, 31.75. Look at that. The 32 long was a razor sharp entry. It only went one quarter below our entry long 32, the one that I've been telling you for 2 hours to to take. All right, so Bulls take it, scalp 3 points, 32, 33, 34, 35. Get the hell out. They're not taking a chance with this scalp action. They're just taking two, 1, 2, 3 points. You know, they just made 3 points in 3 seconds. The hell out. They don't want to take any more chances. All right. Okay. All righty then. Okay. So it's not important more. All righty. So now we are on a 31. Okay. That dropped from 40 to 32, ladies and gentlemen. 8 point drop. Really nasty for the Bulls, right? For the Bulls that went long, the high for us is a nice pullback so that we can get a much better risk reward ratio, right? Look, we're long 32, and we're expecting the price to go at least all the way back to 37. So that's 5 points. We're not gonna let the price take 31. So we have a 1 point risk and at least 5 point reward because we are counting on the price to go back to 37. Right? So that's 5 to 1. I take those odds anytime. Think about what I just said, right? All right. 37, we know the importance of 37. Look at the way it took it on the way up and look at the way it took it on the way down. What do you think, that smart money doesn't know how important 37 is? What do you think we went long 37 half an hour before the market opened? Support. We were expecting support, and now the chop, smart money is gonna destroy the weed, the teenagers, the fake gurus. Not just only the teenagers, all those old timers that have been scamming people for ages, right? They're all taken, right? They don't do this. They don't trade live every single day, record it, and post it in their media, right? Because they'll be unmasked. All righty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 35 half, right? So 31, 35 half, we're gonna call it 36. 31, 36, 31, 36, 31, 36. We're gonna let the price do whatever the hell they want to do. You gotta go now to your P&L. It must stay green, and even if the price comes right back down again to 31 and bounce, it's gonna bounce without us because we're not going long 31. Even if it works, we're gonna we're gonna see it bounce and go all the way to 35, 37. We're gonna say, oh my god, I can't believe I didn't go low 31. Don't worry about it. Our job right now is to stay green. Market right now is being really nasty. I'm telling you. Break of 31, price is gonna continue to 27. Okay. Okay. 27, 29, 27, 25. Oh, please, are you kidding me? It's garbage. All right. All right. So those who are short 43, absolutely no reason at all whatsoever. Not even when the price rally all the way from 33 to 40. It's okay. 40. Look how far from 40 quarter to 43, right? 3 points that couldn't take. So short, you're still good. All right. Okay. It's not gonna be easy. All right. Double top, 31 half. All right. Okay. Okay. No clean break. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, should we go short, Capi? We cannot go short here. If we were not add to a winner short above 37, it's too risky to short here. this 31. So we're not gonna short and we're not gonna go long. We're gonna just remain. We're just gonna remain as long as your PNL is green, right? No more establishing a position long. Okay, do not add 31. Don't worry if remember what I told you 2 minutes ago. Okay, if it found, oh my God, look, this was, a gray entry. No, my friend. Okay, chop 31, 36. That's what's gonna happen, and you don't want to take a chance all the way to 27. All right, there is no clean break. This is the worst type of action there is when the when the um, when the price takes it so so slowly. Here we go. All right, don't worry about it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so big time scalping. Okay, okay. Cappy, we should have gone short, man. You said that a break of you said that a break of 32 price was gonna go to 27, man. We should uh, you know be short that 32. No, okay, right. Look at it. Right, it goes to 29. Yeah, well, that's 3 points, man. That's pretty good. Yeah, yeah. We have to wait till 27. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, no adding, no adding any new contracts long below 31. Okay, so we're not adding anything. We just remaining. We know that 32 and 27 are 5 points of support. 32 is the last entry long, we just did it, and then 27. All right, but we're not gonna add, not even in the mid range, 27, 32. Right, that's 5 point. Okay, what's the mid range? 29.50, right? Beautiful, 29.50, right? That's the mid range, 29.50, right? With this chop, I tell you, I prefer. Look at those of you who went long the mid range between 32 and 27, because you know that this is a area of support that the smart money is gonna try to take you, and you had the confidence to take the mid range, right? 27, 32, 5 point divided by 2, 250, 27, 250, 29 half, right? Those of you who took the mid range, I take my hat off of you, but my suggestion was don't don't take anything long below 31. We had to wait for the price to go all the way to 27. All right. So yeah, sure. We took some hit from 31 to to this low right here, right? To this 28, 75, 29. Yeah, couple 2, 3 points, no big deal. Prices above 32. Bulls back in business. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. 29.35. Right. 6 point rally. Price is above the the broadband bearish downtrend again. Look how many times it's taking it. As long as as long as we are above 31, we're still interested in being long. Okay. So in other words, smart money is gonna make it extremely difficult for bulls to make any money. How? Like this, right? They're gonna take you. Look at that. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, another lower low, right? Each of these lower lows has been an opportunity to buy the bounce. All right. We were doing it all the way until 32, which was our last new entry. Okay. At 32, right? 31. Those of us who are long, 31, 32. Prices above 32, 33, 34, 35, 3 points. And do you think that I'm gonna let my guard down that this thing can easily drop again? Nasty drop like it did from 40 to 32, right? Okay, so watch your P&L. We are still long, and okay, and we're watching now 27, which is a predetermined pivot, right? 27, remember? Okay, so now we are in a wider uh, now we are in a wider channel, 43, and finally 27 came to the picture. Okay, all right then. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what do we have here? 28, 28, 36, right? 36, 37. Expect more chop. We are above structure. So bulls still okay. All right. Bears haven't been able to drop the price to 27. All right. So as long as 27 is holding, it's still okay to be long. We just had a strategy that we're not gonna add long below 31. That's not gonna you know that you can do the mid range. We do it all the time, but with this chop it's too dangerous. That's why I suggested not do it. But you all know that you can do the 29 half, which is the mid range between 32 and 27. Okay. All right. So what do we want? We want, of course, this low to hold. Give us chop here. All this chop, just patience. We'll deal with it. Expecting the price to break the new micro channels high, 35, 36, 37, and and for the market to reveal itself in our direction. All right. The counter trend short 43, right? Look at it. When the price went from 35 the first time all the way to 42, those who went short 43, they got the hell out. And then another rally, they got the hell out. And then another rally, they got the hell out. And then another strong rally, and they got the hell out, right? And then boom, dropped from 40 to 32. They're pissed off because smart money took them out at 39. Come down. Another, another, another drop, and we are still holding bullish positions. What we already had, no new one, because uh, it's too risky. Alrighty, okay, just let it ride. Okay, your P&L. Time right now, ladies and gentlemen, is 11 a.m. Think about it, right? 11. Okay. All right. 13-point range. Right. Look at that from the high to the low. 13-point range. Right. And look at the way it's been doing it. All right. So watch out. So remember 32. Okay. 31, 32. There's a reason I suggested to not add below 31, right? Okay, 31, 32, support. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, testing this high right here. Okay, all right, all right. Remember, 37, right? We want the price to take 37. And for the market to reveal itself, that's not going to be easy, ladies and gentlemen. The chop's going to continue 37, 39. Okay, listen, there's going to be more chop here. 37. Okay, 37, 39. Okay, 37, 39. Okay. Okay. So in other words, the Bears, they're coming back above 37. You better believe it. They're coming back 37-40. These 3 points here, 37-40. All right. They're coming back. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right. So we have a okay. We have a new okay. We have a new support. 33. Okay. 33. It's pretty close to it because of the chop, right? But 33. It's important to the Bulls. Okay, and 39. It's important to the Bears. All right, so more chop 33, and of course 32, right? It's obvious. And 39, 41. Okay, 39, 41. Bears won't let it, won't let the price break this 39, 40, 41. This 2 point right here, Bears not gonna let them take it. All right, and the Bulls are gonna do everything they can to defend 31, 33. Okay, 31, 33. What's the middle? 32. All right, so that's what's gonna continue happening. What time it is right now? It's 11:08. Remember yesterday. It wasn't until 11:30 when, on a regular day, right, is when the official shop begins, right, at 11:30, all the way until 3:30, and that's when they moved the market yesterday. Well, it looks like they want to do it again today. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So is that 33 to the tick, right? Remember, I gave you 33 5 minutes ago, right? Is that 33 to the ticks? That's the one that we want. That's the level that we want holding. 33 to the tick, right? Okay. 37, 33, 37. 4 points, right? We want price to take 37, right? Right? Look, 37. Back to our initial entry low. Remember 37, boom. 37, right? Look, look. This is, my friends, the definition of big time, massive chop, right? Okay. Who who is profitable? What day trader is profitable when the price action is chop liver? Who? We are. Okay, we are, because we know not only how the future is going to look like, we know the strategies to use, and we have confidence, and we know the risk reward ratios of everything that we take, and then we also counter trend, right? So remember when I told you when the price was at 40, I tell you, hey, listen, it's okay to short here, because that 43 it's gonna be strong as hell, right? Yes, we are expecting the price to take it and go to where? Let's see. Clean break of 43. Where's the price going? Let's see if anybody remembers. You should have it. You should have a price line draw. I gave it to you 2 hours ago, right? Okay. So where is the price going? Clean break off. That's right, my friend. And is there a, exactly by way of 50? Exactly. That is 100% correct. So that's what we've been after all morning long, right? That's what we've been after all morning long. Okay, main play long, counter trend short the high, and long every time the price takes the low, long, expecting, right, to to catch the bottom, right? Which is what we do here every day. We catch the tops, we catch tops, and we catch bottoms. No, Capi, you're not supposed to do that. That's a no, nobody can catch the top. That's exactly what we do here. So don't let a teenager it's that just started uh, uh, that just found out about the stock market, and all of a sudden they're big geniuses, right? Don't let a teenager tell you, because remember, the fake gurus, they are nothing but parakeets. They just repeat what they've heard and watched in all those YouTube trading fake trading channels, right? They're just repeating what they heard. I have no idea how this is really done. Okay. All right. So 33, 37. Yeah. Taking a little bit more chop. 39 and 40. It's going to be a little bit stronger than 37. And it looks like it's going to be 11:30 before the market reveal itself in our direction, reveal the hidden move, the one that we are expecting to be the one that is going to give us the best um, amount of point. Look at it, right? 32, 31, right? Those of you who took the mid range, you're probably saying right now, "Oh my God, Capi, thanks for the mid range, man." I took a chance. I took the mid range, 29.5, with a small position, and I'm gonna let it ride, man, all the way to 37, 39, 40, 43, and then let's see where else it goes. Alrighty, okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 39, right? Is that 39 to the tick? Is that 39 to the tick? I believe it is, right? So in other words, everything the price is doing, we already knew it was gonna do it. Think about that. Everything the price is doing, we already knew it was gonna do it. That's the edge. That's the only way that this can be traded. That's the only way that you can be consistently profitable, right? Day trading the S&P 500. It's the only way. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 40, right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm expecting. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm expecting the price to take this, this triple top. It's gonna take it. This 40, I'm expecting the price to take it. Clean break, I don't think so, but it's gonna take it, and the price is on its way to 43. Okay, so we are all long 31, right? Some of you are long the mid range 29, which is okay, right? If you did it with a small position size, and we are all after a the longest move that was hidden from the amateurs, right? This move right here is the one that we've been after since the open, right? right? Since we first started buying, we bought here, we bought here, we bought here, we bought here, we bought here. Bam! We caught the bottom, and we protected our position size because we didn't add below 31. Only those of you who took the mid range with a small position size, you still know that the main play is long and any short is the counter trend, which was pretty good because look at 14 points. That's not bad. Okay, righty, righty. Price is above 37, giving us confidence that we are on the right side. Okay, so that's 40.75. We're gonna call it 41. Right, 41 from 31. That's 10 points, right? From our last entry long 31, right? 31 long. We were totally prepared to go long 27, right? The the um, the low of that 5 point range, right? I give it to you right here. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. 31, 27, 31, 27, 4 point, 32, 27, 5 point. That's why the mid range is 29 and a half. So we're willing to go long 31 and 27, right? Establish a position long, expecting this move to happen, right? 41, 31, that's 10 points. And of course, more chop. Look at your P&L, stop break even, let it ride. Okay? All right. So trading 101 starts on resistance becomes support. The taking of our 37, we're comfortable that it was going to go to 41. It did. 37, 40, 41, 40, right? 41, 4 points. We want 37 to hold, but we know that 37 is some kind of a key level. Smart money is going to be looking to dance around 47, 37. Look at it. Look at 37. Look at it. Look at 37 since 9 a.m. this morning. Look at it. Look at the way it took it. Right? Look at 37. It's a very important level. All right. This one's not important more. Okay. So right now we are in a 33.41. Remember 33? Price went to the tick. 33, our support. Okay. Alrighty. Price broke structure, the broadband downtrend, bearish downtrend, right? Bearish downtrend. It's a downtrend, it's bearish. It broke it, and okay. Now, now the bulls are counting on our 33, right? They're counting on our 33 to hold. Okay, and give us a new trend. Okay, so right now we are in a new trend, right? We are in a new trend now. This new trend that we're on right now is the one that we've been hunting since the open, since 9 a.m. this morning. This one right here, right? So think about that, right? At 9 a.m. this morning, all the way till the open from 9 to 9:30. Look at it. You had no idea what was going to happen, right? We did. And that's why we did what we did, all right? We knew that there was a future move up that we wanted to take advantage of. This one right here. Now, this bullish broadband uptrend. Okay? All right. So, how do we know we are in an uptrend? Well, we have 28.75 and we have hour 33. Remember, price went to the tick, right? And now, um, what do you think on a choppy day like today? Well, the same thing that the price did when the price was going down, it right? It took it and then back inside the channel. It took it then back inside the channel. It took it then back inside the channel. That's chop. We we didn't let the smart money shake us out. We were after this uptrend all morning long, and then we caught it, and we're up 10 points now. Okay, stop, break even, start trailing, right? Trail. What's the trail? Well, the trails are all these levels of support and now that of resistance that are now support, especially 33. We know 37 is weak, so 37 is not a trail. We know 37 is weak. 33 is pretty good. Okay, so we want the price to continue going all the way to, from 33, 43, 10 more points, 40 from 43 to 31, 30, 13 points, and remember that we are all about the future. Okay, so at 9 a.m. this morning, we had reasons to believe that there was gonna be an uptrend eventually, and that's what we've been doing. And that's exactly the same thing that we're doing right now. We're looking ahead. Prisatico is a forward looking system. Right? We want to know what the smart money is up to. What is it? Where is the phantom trend? What is it? Where is it where they really want to go later on in the future? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes ahead of time. Just like we did today at 9 a.m. We just had to make sure that that we didn't let the uptrend shake us out. On the contrary, every time it came down, we went long, we went long, we went long, and now we're reaping rewards. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time right now it's 11:32. You know that we don't take new positions after 11:30 because now if we've been in a massive chop all day today, um, beginning 11:30 is when the official chop begins from 11:30 all the way to 3:30, right? We all know that. That's why we don't trade for the next 4 hours. We only continue managing what we already have. We are long the low, and we are expecting the price to go test eventually 43 and go to 50, right? So our job is to ride it all the way to 50, right? To 54 by way of 50. That's our job, okay? Remember that I've been telling you. We just have to wait for the market to reveal itself. Well, it kind of did already. Alrighty. 50 and 54. And that's pretty much it. Is it possible? Is it possible that this thing's gonna take 37, go to 33, take it, hang around 32, 33, and continue the massive chop? Of course it is. All right. That's what the trail is for. Look, go to your P&L, look at it, and just like we never let a trade, a winner turn into a loser, we never let a green day go red, right? No, but I didn't make enough to buy a Lamborghini today, Capi. So I want to continue trading. You do not do that. Just, just manage your current position. That is it. Okay, we control fear and greed here. Okay, not every day is a Lamborghini day. Some days we make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points in the first half an hour. Sometimes we make 10 points in 2 hours. It's up to the market. It's not up to us. All right. So so be strong. Okay. 37. Right. We know 37 is a weak level. What does that mean? It's a key level. Price, it's gonna dance around it. Okay. Sure. Okay. Boom. What do you think is doing? Taking the stops. Right? Remember what I told you. 37. It's not. All right. If, if you had to stop at 37, it's okay, but you have to build back better. Okay. All right. They know the importance of 33, so the bears, smart money, they're going to do everything in their power to shake you out of any loans 31, 33. Right? 31, 33 is a pretty good support. Oh my God, 31? That's our last entry loan. That's right. Okay. Believe me, there is a reason why that was our last entry loan, right? Because it's important support. Okay, look at this drop from 41 to 34, right? 7 points in 10 minutes. All right. Okay, massive chop. Boom, down, another down. Little, remember what I told you. We are in a broadband bullish uptrend. Don't be surprised if the price breaks structure, right? Breaks this, breaks the low of this uptrend, and then chop, massive chop continues, right? All right, time right now, ladies and gentlemen, 11:37, right? All right, okay. So I'm gonna be leaving pretty soon. Market reveal itself. You all know exactly what's going on, and it's just a matter of let the market continue its chop liver action. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so nice, right? 33, 33 holding. Price pulls back to 34, far from 33. That tells us that we're good. It comes right back down again. Cannot take it. Spring back 39. Right? It looks like we are on our way to our 50, and of course, right? Price broke structure of the uptrend, broke it, and just so that it can take the stops of the teenagers on YouTube, and then it comes right back up, down, chop, up, down, up and down, up and down. Nice, nice taking of G, 30 hour 37, right? Nice taking, right? So we're comfortable that the price eventually is going to get bucking our broadband uh, bullish uptrend and take us to 50, right? Yeah, sure. We're gonna have we had to fight for it, right? We're still fighting for it. Well, it is what it is. Sometimes just like I told you, sometimes we get 20, 30, 40 points in half an hour. Sometimes we have to wait the entire day. So be it. So be it. It is what it is. For those of you who are not used to this, okay, okay, right. For those of you who uh, that that don't trade chop, right? And and that's a good, that's a good idea. You only trade chop if you are in this realm, because here the most difficult price action there is chop. We all know that, and still we nail chop just like we nail a nice going follow through, nice momentum, right? So, by you being here today and seeing how this is done, then hopefully you're gonna learn a lot, and you still can trade shop as long as we here, as long as Presarico, the system that we follow, tell us the phantom trend, right? All right. So yes, this job is extremely difficult, and sometimes it's gonna be like that, and sometimes, like I said, sometimes we make what 10, 15 points today. Sometimes it took us all morning. Sometimes we it takes 15 seconds, right? So, right. So get used to it. The most important thing is that we follow a system that can recognize the type of price action that the market is going to to form. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and test this 40, 41, right? 43, and and the uh, and the action continues. Time right now 11:54. 6 minutes to 12 noon. Can you believe that? All righty then. Market is dynamic, and there is another resistance, ladies and gentlemen, and that is 46. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. We have another resistance, 46. So, what do we want? Right? We want the price to continue going up, get inside the uptrend, structure, right? And test 43. 43 is not as strong anymore. It is still strong, but not as strong anymore. Okay, I'm expecting the price to take it and continue to 46. All right, that's the next resistance. Okay, how long is it gonna take? It could easily take the entire day. So those of you who are professional full-time traders, you don't have another job, right? You make enough here. Remember that this job is unlimited income potential. So, but if you have another job that you like, that you love, that you've been doing for a long time, sure, terrific, do it. Usually, we don't stay so long in a trade, right? We want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 weeks, right? That's the idea. Well, sometimes we can do it. Sometimes the market is not up to it. It's gonna move like it's been doing it today. But as long as we are green days like today, then we're happy. Yeah, yeah, sure. It took a long time, but it is what it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's let it ride. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So price taking 41, right? Remember what I told you, you know, right? 43 and 46 now. Okay, so we're not going to short 43. What's the mid range? 43, 46, right? It's 3 points. 44 half, all right? So those of you who want to take advantage of the mid range, 44 half, right? In case that the price doesn't go all the way to 46 and FOMO, right? If you're suffering from FOMO and you don't want to let it go all the way to 46 and you want to counter trend short 46, 43, 46, mid range 44 half, just watch it because remember, we are expecting a continuation all the way to 50 and 54. Alrighty? Remember, the market just revealed itself long time ago. It's just that amateurs didn't see it, but the market revealed itself at 10:30. That's when we went long the last time 31. In other words, that's when we totally and completely uh, uh, caught the bottom. Look at it, right? Okay. We caught the bottom. We were really careful. We didn't add because this was the last one. When we're taking the last entry of which we believe is the beginning of a new move. That's it, right? We don't add right there. It's way too scary because a clean break of that 27, we know the price was going to continue going down. So we don't want to have a big position. All right, no Lamborghini. Don't worry about it. And all righty, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So all right, so time right now is 12:04, and all righty. So just go ahead and continue watching the action. Enjoy it, and I'm signing off. And remember, right? Okay. Remember, my friend. Okay. Have fun. Enjoy it, and hopefully you have fun. You learn something today, and the most important thing, right? Which is my main concern with all of you, my dear professional traders, members. If it's not live, it's not real, right? As simple as that. Okay, if it's not live, it's not real. Whatever you're gonna do, just make sure that it's live. See you all tomorrow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 43, right? Remember that this is resistance. This is the level that we've been after, for a long time, all morning long. Remember what I told you. Don't counter trend short it because this time it's going to be taken and it's going to 46. Mid range is 44 half. Let's see how it gets there. FOMO is dangerous at this time of day. So watch out. Okay. 44 half to the tick. Look at that. To the tick. All right. Okay. Boom. All righty. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like we told you, right? Don't short 43 because this time it's gonna take it and it's gonna be on its looking to go all the way to 46, right? So what's the mid range? 44 half, 45. Look at that. Nice, nice recoil. 45 band. 44, 43, 42, and look at what's going on. Right. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So we are now in a right because look right. So this was the trend, broke structure. Smart money took the stops of all the teenagers, all the fake gurus, right? But it was still in an uptrend, just like we told you, right? And this is the new uptrend. It's just a variation of this one. Look at it, right? So this is what we still want because we are still uh, holding for the price to test 46, break it, and continue to 50. All right? It'll take all day. Well, sometimes the market takes all day, sometimes it doesn't. So just let let it ride.